Brad Williams, XL Prime. Let's take a look at the power of compounding. Here we have future value. We're going to throw in 10 grand annually for 20 years, earning 6%. What is the value at the end of 20 years? So we're throwing in 200 grand, and after 20 years, that value at the start of the year, depends on when you deposit. If you deposit at the end of the year, you're going to have $367,000. If you deposit at the start of the year, it's $389,000. So 200 grand will grow to $389,927 over 20 years, earning 6% interest. Pretty powerful tool, that compounding thing. Think of it the other way. You own a house. You're making those mortgage payments, and you probably looked at an amortization chart. That's the exact same thing. We're computing the future value, and I showed you earlier how to do that. We're not using any tricky compounding here. This is just annual interest. I want monthly. I want the power of compounding on a monthly basis, not this annual that these crooked insurance companies and banks and investment firms are screwing you over, okay? So take charge of your finance and demand higher returns. How does this work? The future value function can be used to calculate the present value of an annuity. Here's the formula. Future value, C5, C6, C4. That's not going to tell you anything. Future value, rate, number of periods, payment, present value type. Here, the rate is going to be 6%. The number of periods, 20 years. Payment, 10 grand. The setup, notice we have C5, 10 grand. C6 minus C4, 20 periods. We have 20 periods, and this is future value deposit end of year. Notice how the layout here is. We have present value, which we're not putting in present value. We're trying to find future value. And then type. When payments are made 0 or 1, we're putting 0 here, and then we put 1 here. Pretty powerful tool, that compounding stuff. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks for your time.